hakuna neno lingine.
Kembe maloso bege mag plastic odongi ndalo 15 mondo giler ne duol mar NEMA kwan mar bege mag plastic mapok giuso. Ma bang' Kenya go kang' mar kalo chik mar gayo kata kaka itiyo gi plastic e pacho kae. Chik mano chako tiyo tarik 4 dweni. Kembe maloso plastic joma uso gi kaachiel gi joma tiyo kodgi ma oketho chikno ibiro mi twech mar higni 4 kata fwai mar $2 million.
Unapatanga kasi wanawake pale Dandora tunaumia sana. Unashindango kupumua ile burns ikiban pale dam site. So for the single use plastic, mimi naweza sema wa stop producing if they don't have the market. So na problems zingine tunafacingika wanawake ni kama losing the pregnancy.
We cannot close our ears or our eyes to the reality that there is tripling of plastic production, so that by the 2050 or 2030, there will be more plastics if we don't take action now as a member state to report on the primary polymers that you are producing. Are we going down, or are we still with business as usual in the next, even when we have the instrument? So is the instrument becoming effective ultimately, or is just another treaty?
In plastic production, we also want clear targets on the reduction. We need to quantify in terms of time and in terms of numbers. How much are we going to reduce, and that needs to come out explicitly.
If you are found with a polythene bag, you can upon conviction be imprisoned for a term of not less than 1 year, but not more than 4 years, or a fine of not less than 2 million shillings,